Modern cars are incredibly advanced, but keeping them in good shape can feel overwhelming and expensive. From knocking engines to worn-out belts and dirty fluids, problems can pile up fast. But what if I told you there's a simple way to avoid costly repairs and make your car last over 300,000 miles? Sounds good, right? In this video, I'll walk you through the ultimate car maintenance checklist, broken down into short-term, long-term, and seasonal checkups, so you can keep your car running smoothly without always relying on a mechanic. Let's get started with the short-term checkups. These are simple tasks you should do every month or before long trips. They take just a few minutes but make a huge difference. Check oil and coolant levels. Pop the hood once a month and check both your engine oil and coolant, always when the engine is cool. For oil, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and check the level. If it's low or looks dark and dirty, top it up or get an oil change. Coolant is just as important. It keeps your engine from overheating. Check the coolant reservoir. It should be between the min and max lines. Important, never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. Coolant can reach 210 degrees Fahrenheit and may spray out under pressure. Monitor tire pressure and tread. Your tires are your only contact with the road. Check the pressure monthly using a gauge or your car's tire monitoring system. Use the PSI rating on the sticker inside the driver's door. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and grip. Also, inspect the tread. Use a penny. If Lincoln's head is visible, it's time to replace the tire. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 10,000 miles to ensure even wear. Inspect the air filter. Your engine needs clean air to run efficiently. A dirty air filter restricts airflow and lowers performance. Most filters should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year. Check your owner's manual for your car's specific needs, and yes, you can usually replace it yourself at home. Test your lights. Lights are about safety, for you and everyone else on the road. Once a month, check your headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. Park near a wall, or ask a friend to help. Replace any dim or burnt-out bulbs right away. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Mindset. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more honest car advice. Long-term checkups. These tasks don't need to be done monthly, but they're just as important. Neglecting them can lead to major damage over time. Inspect and replace car fluids. Transmission fluid helps your gears shift smoothly. Check your owner's manual for the right type and change intervals. If your car has a dipstick, check it while the engine is warm and running in park. Healthy fluid is reddish and clear. Dark or burnt-smelling fluid? Time for a change. Brake fluid doesn't get used up quickly, but it does absorb moisture over time. Replace it every 3 to 5 years or if it looks dark and dirty. Soft brake pedal? Increased stopping distance? That's a warning sign. If your car still uses hydraulic steering, check the reservoir under the hood. If you hear whining noises when turning, your fluid might be low. Refill with the correct type. Electric steering systems don't need fluid, so check your manual first. Transfer case and differential fluids are easy to forget, but critical. They help send power to all 4 wheels. Fluid should be checked and replaced based on the manufacturer's schedule. Usually a mechanic will need to handle this. Spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture in your engine. Worn plugs can cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and engine roughness. Copper plugs last around 30,000 miles. Iridium plugs can last up to 100,000. If your car feels sluggish, it may be time to check them. The Serpentine Belt powers key systems like your alternator, air conditioning, and power steering. Inspect it for cracks, fraying, or wear. Replace it every 60,000 to 100,000 miles to avoid sudden breakdowns. If you drive a rear-wheel, 4-wheel, or all-wheel drive vehicle, it likely has at least one differential. Differential fluid needs changing periodically to keep the gears inside running smoothly. Neglecting it can lead to expensive repairs. Your car's needs change with the weather. These seasonal tasks keep it performing well year-round. Replace windshield wipers. If your wipers streak, skip, or squeak, change them. Most last around a year. If you live in a snowy area, consider winter-specific blades for better performance in ice and slush. Bonus tip. In winter, lift your wipers when parked to keep them from freezing to the glass. Check your battery. Cold weather is tough on car batteries. Use a multimeter to check voltage. Anything below 12.4 volts might mean your battery needs charging or replacing. Clean off any corrosion from the terminals and ensure the connections are tight. Most batteries last 3 to 5 years, but extreme heat or cold can shorten that lifespan. Bonus tip, keep it clean. Clean cars aren't just for looks. Interior. A clutter-free interior makes driving safer and more comfortable. Vacuum regularly and wipe down surfaces. Exterior wax your car twice a year. It protects the paint from UV rays, road salt, and debris. It also prevents rust and keeps your car looking newer for longer. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just a little time and attention each month, you can prevent most major issues before they even start. If you found this checklist helpful, make sure to check out our next video, where we share expert tips on how to save money on car repairs and extend your car's lifespan even further. Thanks for watching Motor Mindset. Drive smart, stay safe, and keep your car happy.